Okie dokie, it's time for a little, how you say, a rip and tear? Okay, so I'm gonna start it at the very beginning of my very first mission. I put it on easy mode because this is my first time playing any FPS, any first person shooter whatsoever. Up, you see in the upper right, my frames per second.
Rage. Brutal. Without mercy.
No mercy.
But you will be worse.
Oh.
Until it is done.
I think you overestimate my abilities, sir. Come on. Let's get the show on the road, shall we? That's just a regular Monday morning for me. Okay, here we go. This is the game doing this. I'm not doing anything yet. And time to hop out of bed. Hey, can somebody give me a cup of coffee? Move. So this to get me warmed up. Oh, that's right. It's better to move around. I mean, the game hasn't started proper, but it's just to get me warmed up on how to play it. Oh, he did a little power slide. Okay, initial guys. How does one say neutralized? Alright, here we go. Let's go to the board here. Press Le E. Story time. Yeah, huh? They're all bowing to a box. I don't know what that's about. I'm sure it's nothing bad.
To contain this.
Alright, enough of that. We're running around naked. But wait. Hello. Put on this. Oh. That can't be good. Alright. Let's put on the suit. And let's do the dance. No, it's alright. Take your time. There we go. Nope. I don't have my mouse. Demonic invasion in progress. Irritating scan. I'm kidding. Okay, no info. Classic. Offline, no signal. Alright. How do I move forward? Do I have spacebar maybe? Nodes, yeah, great.
Determine the cause of the demonic invasion until the Resop satellite is brought back online.
Alignment error. Oh, I have to fix the satellite? Is that what's going on?
I'm Dr. Samuel Hayden. I'm the head of this facility. I think we can work together and resolve this problem in a way that
Fantastic.
benefits us
Great.
both.
Let's do it, buddy. Obviously, I didn't have the patience for that. Alright, let's go have some fun. Ooh. What is going on? Oh! Press page up for a glory kill. So when they're flashy like that, I can do the glory kill. And in my case, my glory kill button is page up. Okay. Oh, page up. Okay. Let's do it. I'm ready. Let's do it. How do I get out of this game? Resume. Oh, do I not have my mouse set up? Okay, so I'm gonna pause it there. But hopefully that's enough to get an idea of what's going on, not unless you wanted more gameplay. Alright. I go le pause.